Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my journey of talking to users for SessionFix, the app that I'm currently working on. This week I spent most of my time talking to users to collect one big thing: feedback. I think talking to users and collecting feedback is important in the process of building a useful product. That's what all startups are, right? The number one thing you need to do is to have a direct connection with your customers. So I spent most of the time this week talking with the small number of users I have on SessionFix. First of all, I loved it. Just the fact that people use something you build is amazing. While talking to users, your obvious goals are to collect feedback and to stay connected with them to build loyalty and trust. One of the biggest mistakes I did earlier is to treat collecting feedback from users as a sales call. This is completely wrong. While talking to users, you need to keep one thing in mind. Try to talk as little as you can and spend more time listening to your user. I highly recommend you guys to watch this video by Eric from Y Combinator, where he explains how to talk to users. He explains the whole process really well and I highly recommend watching it. Going back to SessionFix, my only goal in an interview is to get as much honest feedback as possible. Thinking about what to implement for SessionFix is a problem for the future me. Although it was tough in the beginning to talk to users who exactly face the problem that you're trying to solve, it eventually became easier for me to talk to them and figure out what issues they're actually facing. I wrote down some points from each call on Notion and then looked at them afterwards. I was beginning to see a pattern. There were two main points that I took away from the interviews. Number one, the support for hosting more than seminars and group sessions. Currently, the users I talked to were mainly yoga experts. Since they don't usually host seminars on a daily basis, they wanted me to implement a feature to host live courses on SessionFix. For them, hosting live courses is even too manual, as they need to spend time first confirming payments for the course. Then they need to save the students' contact details and then send the meeting URL manually every time for a session. There's no simple solution to help them out. I got to know their problem well and then even understood that currently SessionFix cannot be used for their use case, as it's mainly used for hosting a single session and not for a whole set of sessions in a live course, right? Live courses are really huge right now, and for small mentors, teachers and creators, it's really hard and manual to host one. On the other hand, I don't know if I should pivot SessionFix to a live course hosting platform, as it's not my original goal for SessionFix. I would love to know what you think, and I just wanted to know, should I pivot SessionFix or should I look for more ideal users? I think I should do a little bit more market research before coming to a conclusion. Number 2.
Burger King foot lettuce.
Number 2. Building a marketplace for the sessions on SessionFix. Currently, the only way to register for a seminar is through the link which gets created by the expert. There's no way to discover new sessions happening on SessionFix. Talking to the users gave me an idea of what they most importantly want: more registrations for a session. I thought of building a marketplace on top of the current version of SessionFix, where anyone can view the sessions that are happening right now, and then register and then even pay if they're interested in joining it. This marketplace idea reminds me of meraevents.com or udemy.com. Just like with the previous suggestion with the course, I don't know if I should spend time implementing this or just stay with the current version of SessionFix. I would genuinely love your opinion on this. What should I do? I feel like I'm currently stuck in the process. I would definitely love your help. Comment down below or send me a DM at HemeshCH on Twitter about what you think. I will let you know about what I decide in the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe.